650,000 to 700,000 people live in Tondo. And from our experience conducting our active case finding, 5% of people are infected with tuberculosis. In the Philippines, this rate is around 1 to 1.5%, which means that in Tondo, it's 5 times higher. Tondo is a hotspot for TB due to socioeconomic and environmental factors. So the population density here is really high, and the overcrowding makes it easier to transmit the disease to people who live in close proximity. CAD is short for computer-aided detection, and it's basically using computer systems to analyze a chest X-ray image. Here, we use CAD to help detect TB quicker, and it supplements the reading of a doctor or radiologist, making the diagnosis more accurate and faster. The CAD score appears in the computer in 2 to 3 minutes, and if it reaches a threshold of 32, then they go for sputum collection using GeneXpert to confirm the diagnosis of HEE.
Para malaman ko kung anong maka-assure ako na baka meron ako. Kasi minsan hinihingal ako. Hindi ko alam kung sa puso or sa maga. Yun lang ang ano ko. Kaya sabi ko, ay salamat, merong x-ray.
Once we diagnose a patient as having TB, there are outreach nurses that visit people in their homes to explain the diagnosis and to then link them to the health center so that they can get free